Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PTFE tube is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in your 3D printer. This seemingly simple tube is crucial for ensuring smooth filament flow, preventing clogs, and ultimately, producing high-quality prints. In this video, we will delve into the world of PTFE tube specifically designed for 1.75mm filament, exploring what makes a great tube, and helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your 3D printing experience. Number 5. Creality Capricorn Tube. This Creality Capricorn tube is 100% original and made with high-quality imported Teflon. It's highly adaptable and suitable for various Creality 3D printers, ensuring a low loss rate during printing. It boasts high temperature resistance up to 300 degrees Celsius, perfect for demanding filaments like ABS and nylon. Its superior lubrication, corrosion resistance, and durability ensure a smooth and reliable printing experience. This tube significantly outperforms standard PTFE tubes. The ultra-low friction and precise 1.9mm inner diameter ensure faster response times and less retraction, saving you time and effort. It's specially designed for 1.75mm filament with a perfectly round and consistent inner diameter. This ensures smooth filament feeding, even with flexible filaments and long Bowden systems. Our team of engineers provides 24/7 customer service and 12 months of warranty, along with lifetime technical assistance. We're here to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. This tube is officially made by Creality, ensuring top quality and compatibility with their printers. If you own a Creality 3D printer and value brand reliability, this is the perfect choice. It's also twice as long as some competitors, saving you from needing to replace it as often. What people say. This PTFE tube is much more heat resistant, i.e. does not melt at the 250-degree range, so it not only can handle more heat but is also much slicker than the normal white stuff. The diameter inside and outside are very precise and that helps to prevent jamming. Also, Capricorn tubing is capable of handling higher temps than regular PTFE, so it's a great upgrade for PTFE-lined hot ends. It honestly makes clogging less likely and makes it smoother. Number 4. Capricorn Bowden PTFE Tubing. It's the highest quality PTFE tubing in 3D printing. The tight tolerances ensure your filament goes straight to the hot end, minimizing errors. It can withstand the highest temperatures, perfect for demanding filaments like ABS, nylon, and polycarbonate. Print exotic materials with confidence. These couplers are made from high-quality materials for durability and reliability. They ensure a secure connection between your extruder and hot end. The included cutter ensures clean, flat cuts, preventing malfunctions and heat creep. Easy installation and maintenance. It's compatible with Creality Ender 3 V2, Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 5 CR, 1010S 3D printers. Upgrade your printer today. Have questions? Contact us through Amazon messaging. We'll respond within 24 hours and provide technical support. What we like. This product not only provides high-quality tubing but also includes essential accessories like PC4M6 and PC4M10 fittings and a tube cutter. If you need a complete kit for a smooth installation and precise cutting, this is the one for you. It's perfect for users who want convenience and a hassle-free setup. What people say. I can already see an improvement in my prints. The 1M kit was plenty to replace my stock tubes with plenty left over. The PTFE tubing shipped with your 3D printer can get the job done, for a while. Capricorn tubing is considered the standard in 3D printing tubing. I have two printers, a Sobel SV01 and a Creality CR10S5, and they have both benefited from this worthy upgrade. The included tubing cutter is a sharp razor type of blade that will destroy you if you aren't careful. However, if you mark the tubing with a magic marker or similar, you can cut that mark directly in half if you desire. It is accurate, and more importantly, it doesn't crush the tube. This is a great all-in-one upgrade kit for any 1.75mm Bowden style printer. The kit comes with 1 meter of Capricorn PTFE tubing. It also includes 2 sets of PC4M6 and PC4M10 pneumatic fittings, so you get a spare set of pneumatic fittings. The V-tube cutter makes cutting the filament straight very easy, and a straight cut is essential to ensuring you don't get any filament seepage which will cause clogs. Also, Capricorn tubing has higher heat tolerances, so it won't burn in the hot end nearly as fast as the standard white stock tubing you get with your printer. The Capricorn tubing comes with an inner diameter of 1.9 mm, which greatly decreases the chance of the filament flexing in the tube, so when you extrude 100 mm, you actually get 100 mm pushed, and retractions is an actual retraction and not a take-up of filament slack in the tube, as it has nowhere to go. Number 3. Allentech PTFE Teflon Tube. This tubing is perfect for your 3D printer. Its high-quality PTFE material ensures smooth filament feeding. With a 2 mm inner diameter and 4 mm outer diameter, it's precisely sized for 1.75 mm filament. The 5-foot length provides ample feeding distance. Made from PTFE, also known as Teflon, it boasts excellent chemical resistance and a high temperature tolerance. It offers high lubricity and non-stick properties for smooth, reliable 3D printing. Say goodbye to clogs and jams. This tubing meets FDA requirements for food contact and has a UL-recognized flame rating. It's safe and reliable for various applications. Its versatility makes it ideal for electronics, chemicals, medical, and industrial uses. It's a truly multi-purpose tubing. Choose Allentech for superior quality and reliable performance. Experience the difference with our PTFE tubing. What we like. This option offers an extra-long 5-foot tube with a 2 mm inner diameter. If you need a longer tube for your setup or require a material that meets food-safe standards, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications beyond 3D printing. What people say. This tube fit perfectly and dimensions match the original. The 5-foot length provides ample material for various projects, ensuring a smooth and consistent flow of filament. The high-quality construction of this tubing, known for its non-stick properties, minimizes friction, preventing clogs and enhancing the overall reliability of your 3D printing setup. This is good to run between a spool, or filament dryer, and an extruder, as it's very loose and won't add appreciable drag while your extruder is pulling the filament. Number 2. Creality Capricorn Tube Kit. Introducing the Creality Capricorn Teflon Tube, designed for smooth and reliable filament feeding. It's a game changer for your 3D prints. This 100% official Creality Capricorn tube is made from high-quality PTFE, ensuring a precise fit for your 1.75 mm filament. Enjoy consistent extrusion and fewer jams. With its precise inner diameter of 1.9 mm, it minimizes friction and retraction, leading to smoother prints and better quality. It's the perfect oil-free solution. This tube can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of filaments, including ABS, nylon, and polycarbonate. Print with confidence. The kit includes 4 nozzles of different sizes, so you have everything you need to get started. It's that easy. We're here to help. If you have any questions during installation or use, our professional customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Get a premium 1M tube from both Creality and Capricorn, combined with 4 different sized nozzles for ultimate convenience. If you value a perfect fit and don't want to search for the right nozzle size, this kit is for you. It's a great all-in-one solution for a smooth printing experience. What people say. It seems pretty durable and it functions great. My print quality comes out just fine. Good quality and authentic Creality brand, everything works good, the nozzles are the size it says and the Bowden air fitting are perfect. The Bowden tube is a little on the larger size, but it works as intended. It's been holding and seemed to be durable. It is durable, easy to install, and I even had some left over for my other printer. Number 1. MMOBIEL 3D Printer Bowden Tubing. This high-quality PTFE tubing ensures smooth filament flow to your 3D printer's hot end. It's designed for precision and minimal errors, leading to better prints. Made from grade A PTFE, it boasts a precise inner diameter for accurate filament feeding. This minimizes issues between the extruder and hot end. The kit includes everything you need: 1 meter of tubing, 2 stainless steel fittings, and a convenient tube cutter. It's ready to install and use. It's compatible with many popular 3D printers, including Creality Ender and CR10 models, as well as other brands. It works with 1.75 mm PLA and ABS filaments. The included cutter makes trimming the tubing to the perfect length a breeze. The fittings ensure a secure and leak-free connection. Join our satisfied customers and discover the superior quality and performance of MMOBIEL products. We strive to exceed your expectations. What we like. This kit offers a versatile 1M tube along with fittings and a cutter, compatible with a wide range of 3D printers. If you're looking for a reliable and widely compatible option with added accessories, this is the best choice. Its broad compatibility makes it a safe bet for various 3D printer models. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.